Hey there, Neil Napier here, and I want to invite you to join my next launch, and there's a $15,000 no minimum prize pool waiting for you. July 6th, that is when Odin AI goes live, and here's a one-line version. Your subscribers press one key. Odin wakes up, sees exactly what is going on the screen, and deploys an entire agent army to get the work done on their machine, in front of their eyes, while they focus on something else entirely. Not help them write it or not help them speed up the process. This is completely done, finished, and delivered. We're talking about a client proposal built and ready to be sent. We're talking about a cold outreach sequence researched, written, and delivered. A full month of social content published directly to their accounts. A faceless video scripted, voice produced, and ready to upload. Even a full hiring campaign taken from job posts all the way to a shortlist pool of candidates. And here's what makes this unlike anything your audience has ever seen before. Every other AI agent in this space runs on a cloud they cannot see, on servers they do not control, burning tokens they cannot track. And here's the part that keeps most people up at night. Their data, their client's data, all of it is sitting on someone else's server with zero visibility into what happens to it. Odin is different. It runs on their computer locally. Their data never leaves their machine. Every action is visible in real time. Every step happens right in front of them. That is the security no cloud-based tool can offer, and it is something your audience will absolutely love and understand and appreciate. And with our Telegram integration, they can trigger Odin straight from their mobile phone, from the sofa, from their car, wherever they happen to be at any given time. And they can come back to a finished deliverable waiting for them. That is what Odin actually does. It does not just assist, it acts. It works on their behalf, makes decisions, completes tasks, and delivers results while they get on with their life. Now let me tell you why this is such a strong promotion for your list. OpenAI, Google, and Microsoft has spent hundreds of millions of dollars educating your audience about AI agents. The category is pre-sold, it's warmed up. The desire is already there. The only thing that stood between your subscribers and owning this has been the $200 a month, a developer on speed dial, and a black box they cannot trust. Odin eliminates all three for just $37. One time, one click on their machine. And it works for every single type of person on your list. Agency owners who want more output without more headcount, freelancers who want to earn more without working more hours, affiliate marketers who want research, review scripts, and faceless videos produced overnight, beginners who can list a service on Fiverr tonight and deliver it by morning, with Odin doing every little bit of actual work. The income potential here is real. Agencies are charging $1,500 to $5,000 a month for services Odin now produces in one automated session. Freelancers are landing $500 to $2,000 per project. Beginners are building their first service business without a single pre-existing skill. That turns a software purchase into a business decision, and business decisions mean lower refunds and happier buyers. Now here's what this launch means for you. You earn 50% commissions in every step of the funnel. Front end at 37, OTO1 at 297, OTO2 at 97, OTO3 at 397. A single buyer who goes through all the way puts $414 in your pocket. Plus, we have a $15,000 no minimum price pool split across 3 phases: an opening sprint, a mid-launch push, and a closing sprint. There is money on the table whether you mail hard at the open, push through the middle, or close strong at the end. I'm going to drop details of all the prize money underneath this video. And look, the pre-launch webinar is where you get the edge. Subscribers who register and watch Odin work live are pre-sold before the cart ever opens. When we go live at 11 a.m. Eastern on July 6th, they are not only deciding, they are buying. The affiliates who mail pre-launch are always the ones who win the opening sprint, so make sure you do that. Our combined track record speaks for itself. Over $25 million in product sales and close to $5 million made in affiliate commissions over the last decade and a half. Between Ijlal, Simon, and I, we have personally driven 100 to 280 plus sales for individual partners on past launches. So promote Odin AI and you are in the reciprocation rotation. Everything you need is ready right now. Email swipes, a live demo video that does the setting for you, graphics, bonuses, a full resource pack. You show up, the demo closes them. So reach out now, get your links, get your swipes, and get those emails queued up. This is Neil Napier, and I cannot wait to see your name at the top of the leaderboard. Let's crush this one together and give your customers something that they can use every single day.